On my test, I connected my AirPods to two iPhones that were signed in with different Apple ID. On the first iPhone, the AirPods Bluetooth settings only let me change the charging case sound. On the second iPhone, that same option is grayed out. To fix this problem, first remove the AirPods from the other device. That means removing them from the other Apple ID by using the Forget This Device option. Open the Settings app on the old iPhone. Go to Bluetooth and find the AirPods that were previously connected. Tap the I button next to the AirPods name, then tap Forget This Device. Confirm Forget This Device, then confirm again to remove the AirPods from all devices signed in with that iCloud account. Once you've forgotten the AirPods, reset them. For AirPods Pro, quickly double press and then press a third time and hold on the front of the charging case until the status light flashes amber and then white. For AirPods Pro 2, place the AirPods in the charging case, keep the lid open, then press and hold the button on the back of the case until the status light flashes white and then amber. After your AirPods Pro reset successfully, pair them with your iPhone again and check the Bluetooth settings. If your AirPods are already listed, remove them and pair them again. Keep your AirPods close to your iPhone until the setup pop-up appears on the screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your AirPods Pro to your iPhone. Now go to your AirPods Pro settings. On my iPhone running iOS 27, this option is available under Audio and Routing. For iOS 26, find this option straight in AirPods Bluetooth settings. Scroll down and turn on the charging case sounds toggle. That's the fix. Some users have also found that this option is missing because they're using an unsupported AirPods model. Make sure your AirPods model supports this feature. Next, if your iPhone is frozen or acting up, force restart it. Also, leave your AirPods Pro charging for 15 to 20 minutes so they have enough battery, then try again. I hope that fixed the problem. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more helpful videos and updates.